Hello, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a keyboard shortcut on your iPhone or iPad in iOS. So you go into your Settings app, go to General, and go to Keyboard. Then go to what's called Text Replacement towards the top. Okay, we've got these here set up. So when you type just BRB, it will try to replace that with be right back spelled out. So we're going to add in another one here. We're going to do, let's just do, let's do OK. OK. With the letter K, which I find really annoying when people just type K. Okay, so we're going to add that in. Now, this could be annoying too to do this, but we're going to try it. So now let's just say we go to Google and we type in K. See how right above the keyboard it shows OK now? So if you just hit space, it's going to type in OK. Okay, so that's how that works. Same thing with BRB. It's going to do be right back when you hit space. It just does that. Okay, so that's how that works. It's very handy. Let's just say if there's something like if you were doing okay. See, it's not going to detect like okay, like just a K inside of a word because it's not by itself. It's going to detect it by itself. Now, if we did K, but then if we started saying something else like Kate, whoops, Kate, it's not going to, just autofill okay in there at the beginning. So that's how that works. It's really handy. So the word K and letter K might work just fine. Shouldn't have too many problems there. So yeah, that's a cool little trick, especially something you type a lot and you can just type in a few letters of it and then it will type the rest out for you. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Like this video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching today.